Hello everyone, today we will unpackage the smart glass samples from Smart Glass Technologies. Let's take a look inside. First, what I can mention is priority mail. You'll get the samples in like 2-3 days. Start. I can see inside many samples. Okay, this I guess is a smart glass. That's a small smart film. This is a great smart film. We got a promotion flyer. And this is the white smart film. Okay, my friends, here we go. We have smart glass here. We have smart film, the small size. We have smart film, bigger size, regular white smart film. And we have here the gray one, tinting smart film. Also we have here a battery pack. For that we will need 2 batteries, 2 A's. I have them prepared here. Okay, first let's test the smart glass we got. We will connect to the battery pack right here and here. It's pretty impressive. I like it. I like that. Now let's test the smart film. What is important to know, this smart film has 2 protection layers. One protective layer is here on the top, and another one, it's the layer what is protecting the self-adhesive part of the film. You see the difference, right? You see how clear is the right corner. Let me just put back carefully. To try this film we will need, this is a regular plug, and let's try it how this one it works. We'll just plug, and here you have this small remote, and this is how it works. And you have another protective layer right here. Let's try now to see how clear. This is amazing. And another great product, it's the sample of the same smart film, but it's tinted. It's about 50% tinted. Let's try it. It has a separate cable, but a regular plug-in as well. same formula, 2 protective layers from 2 sides. Let's take one corner out to see the clarity. When it's transparent, it's still gray. It's about 50% of tinting. I think the tint one is a great solution if you have like outside windows and you need privacy on demand. And the white one, regular one, I think it's a great when you don't need to tint the glass, you just need the privacy. To use between the bathroom and the bedroom, a lot of properties have amazing view from the bedroom to the ocean, for example, or to the beach, and they want to have kind of the same view from the bathroom. But of course, when you take a shower, it's better if you just click and you have privacy, right? This is why you can use this one inside, and if you need like privacy on the external windows, you can apply the gray one because it's tint. About the price, if you get just one sample, will be $60 and will be shipped to you same day or next day maximum, and you'll get by priority in a couple of days. If you get a package for all 4 samples, will cost you $1.99. We'll give you a discount. If you're thinking to apply and to get a big custom size smart glass for your bathroom, for your if you need privacy for your office or you have a different project, I fully recommend to get a sample, to get the layers carefully out, to stick on your window. My friends, if you have any questions about all these samples, please leave a comment below. I'll be very happy to answer you all the questions. Also, see a link in description where you can go and buy one sample or you can buy all 4 samples.